Hi everyone, welcome to morning coffee break. I hope everybody's doing good today. Today's Friday, October 8th. Currently it's 65 degrees. High today is going to be 71. Chance of rain 80%. Looks like it could anytime. It has been too. Just sitting right now. Humidity's 93%. Winds are at 3 miles per hour and air quality is 66. That's moderate. So, got up early. Kitty was being mischievous. Sitting there right beside me looking at me, biting on my arm. She doesn't bite hard enough to break the skin or anything when she does that. She just does it trying to wake me up. Little turkey. Oh. See how this thing sends out shoots? You can take cuttings off these when they get a little bigger. Like that. See how that's had, it's been in one of the pots obviously. Oh yeah, that's that one that was over there in that one. I can make that easily into another plant. I might actually do it because it's got roots started. I turned it a couple days ago, and that must have been in this pot over here. It was when I saw it before, that one trying to root. But there's others, see, I mean, see them? You can make as many plants as you want, really. Cactus, Christmas cactus. Getting a little, there we go. You can see the little red bloom starting to show up on it. Hey, we got a flower on our okra over here. And this red onion's still trying to grow right down there. And our little, something will probably get it, our little eggplant. Oh, what are those? Oh yeah, here they are. I'm not sure what these are. It just said big, Japanese big peppers is what it said. We'll see when they're big enough to eat. I'm sure they're probably hot. I need to get some more banana peppers, I guess, and freeze them. I've given 1 million of them away. They just keep growing more. Something's been eating on them a little bit. See the holes in them back there? I've had trouble with slugs before. And you can tell over here, well, there's holes in the Swiss chard too. And then you can tell over here something, and it's probably slugs. I'm thinking to be able to get in here and out. See? Right there. Right here. I might have to put some Sluggo down. I don't think I have much left though. I need to come out here at night probably and see if it's, you know, if I can tell any slugs are out here. Because I don't think any animals getting in here anymore. I just believe could be slugs, because they could get in and out of here no problem. So got a little bit of kale growing. It just got eaten up by something. Comet Suna still looks okay. What grew of it, it didn't all germinate. You can see, I think something ate a few of the plants at first. And then we got tons of banana peppers. Man, that's a big one right there. Those purple markings are from the sun, is what I understand. And they don't affect the plant in any way. So I need to get some seeds from these big fat ones like this. I've already got quite a few seeds of all my peppers, but I've got some really nice ones right now growing. Can only eat so many banana peppers. If y'all were neighbors, you'd have plenty of them. Plenty of everything that I grow, for that matter. I gave probably 3/4 of it away this year. I figured I gave over 160 pounds of various vegetables to people, friends and family. You got okra growing. You can tell there's going to be a lot more here. A few of the peppers are kind of on the downside, like this one. A couple of the Neapolitans don't have much on them right now. If they don't do anything after a while, I'll probably pull them up or something. Look at this big bell pepper. I don't know if that's supposed to turn, but look at that. That's nice. There's one. There's still quite a few in here. Here's some. I hear there's some on this one. Look at those nice ones down there. They're really nice. And then this one looks like it's wanting to try to turn. Big Bertha. And of course that big one right there is huge. I was gonna maybe do something about this, but my knees and stuff are hurting from squatting down so much when I did this one over here, tying all these little, plastic ties on it and stuff. And y'all know my knee, especially my left one. So I need to wait until it gets a little bit better, but nothing's been in this lately. I mean, in the past couple days. That doesn't mean they won't. They dug all through it. I showed y'all. So one more incident in here, I'll probably have to do something similar to this if I have enough bird netting left, that is. Which I don't know if I do or not. It took a lot to do this, more than I thought, really. Because that's 8. I don't know if that's 8 foot. I know that's 8 foot. This looks like it's 8 foot. So that'd be 8, 16, 20, 24 feet, if you go all the way around it. So that lettuce starting to grow. This Merlot looks good. And then here's the Simpson, it's called. All of the radishes are thin now. I wondered how I could get to these to build them up. I just leaned over this and it bent down and then it went back up and reached in there and pushed some dirt around some of the lanky ones. Because they'll just try to grow if they try to grow the radish on top, it'll be pencil thin. It won't be like a regular radish. Ooh, there's a nice okra right there. See how big the stalk is on there? Joe had one that was so big he had to leave it. He couldn't get it pulled out. I'm wondering if I'll get these pulled up. I may have to cut them. I pushed some dirt around them, getting lanky, held them up. A lot of my flowers here are falling over. They get heavy when it rains on them. I think Scott might have hit a few mowing around it, but that's okay. It can't be helped. There's one, and there's one will need to go. They're pretty though. I hate to do it, but what are you gonna do? They are beautiful. There's still a few more flowers over here, other kinds. Look at that. This is gonna have more on it. Oh yeah, quite a few more. I hate this big one here fell down. Stick these in there. Getting plenty of rain, that's for sure. See all the buds on these? There's gonna be a bunch of them. They're all over. Looks like the marigolds are kind of playing out, unless they grow more. It looks like they have some more buds on them. There's gonna be a lot more flowers right here. No stump flowers grew out here this year on this one. What I call stump flowers, those big tall ones I just showed you. None of them grew over here. It's funny. I planted some. Some of the seeds. Well, we're gonna have another few. I see quite a few little buds on this marigold. So there's gonna be more of them. There's no bees out here. A little cool for them. I'm hoping we just have to mow one more time. I think we're gonna wait till Monday. Not for sure. Yeah, I only have that problem with the slugs on this one against the house here. I'm thinking that's what it is. I don't believe it's a chipmunk eating it like it is, and I think it'd be pushed down a little more if it was something bigger like a chipmunk or squirrel or something or other. But I don't remember squirrels ever eating any of my greens. I'm just wondering if I have much of sluggo left. Where is it? Don't have much left. I don't think that's going to be enough to do the job. Might have to get some. I don't know. I had to put it out last year quite a bit. You'd never see them unless you were to catch them out there late at night. That's when they come out. Okay, let's see here. Let me get things started. Oh boy, you can tell I hit my thumb the other day. It's swollen up a little bit. Let's see. Okay, I got everything ready. Let's see, last night we had Philly steaks and fries. Oh, they just keep getting better. They were so good. We got that shaved beef from Aldi. It's the cheapest place to get that I've found so far. And it's only $6.18. And beef is super high right now. And probably always will be now. But it was really, really good. And we have some steak fries with some French fry seasoning on them. And then tonight, if y'all remember the Aldi haul, we got chicken schnitzel. I'm not for sure how to pronounce that right. Schnitzel. Anyway, that's what we're having tonight. We've been curious how good they'll be. I know all that stuff from Aldi that's imported and stuff is always good. I haven't had anything that wasn't, so I expect that to be. I'm not for sure what we'll have with it. I'm sure vegetables, but I'm not for sure. We might have to have a baked potato or something. I just don't like, I'm trying to realize that we're eating too many potatoes. I'm gonna have to just try to get away from that some. I'm watching my salt and my sugar better, but I need to watch the white foods like bread and potatoes. I'm gonna have a drive with us to Dollar Tree, and we didn't get a lot, so we did a car haul. So it's a drive with us to Dollar Tree and car haul. We were actually gonna go to Walmart, but we thought we would look at that Dollar Tree over near Walmart because we needed some coat hangers. And ours close here was out of them. So check that out. Didn't get a whole lot. Let's see. I don't know for sure what else I'll do today. I need to do a Kitty's Corner soon. I think I lack just like 4 questions. Let me see something. I think I just lack 4 more questions, I believe it is, for another Ask My Tablet. If somebody will put some questions in your comments for that, we'll do another one of those as soon as we get enough. Well, I think it's time for Faith Quote. I think I've gone over everything today. This one's from Brad Henry. Believe in yourself and the rest will fall into place. Have faith in your own abilities. Work hard and there is nothing you cannot accomplish. I believe in that. Sure do. Okay. This thing's a little crooked. Now it's time for today's tidbits, everyone. Okay. What are wake-low winds? Well, this thing's in the way. Put you back over that way a little. Wake-low is a small area of low pressure that sometimes develops behind a line of thunderstorms. Though not very common, they are often responsible for high wind events that happen after storms pass through. They generate strong wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour and sustained winds of 40 to 50 miles per hour for up to an hour or more. Well, exoplanet WASP 76b is hotter than first thought. A new study at Cornell University found that exoplanet WASP 76b is hotter than first believed. It has a surface temperature of nearly 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists initially thought the exoplanet had a surface temperature of 4,400 Fahrenheit. The planet is tidally locked, which means it shows the same side to its star, making it hot enough to vaporize metals. How does it stay there then? Why didn't it vaporize? Wow, vaporized metal. No, that wouldn't be a good place to live, I don't think. Fast facts about ice shoves. An ice shove is a surge of ice on the shore of a body of water. It is an incredible display of the power of wind and water. It is similar to a slow motion version of a frozen tsunami. It happens when the ice covering a lake surface breaks up and strong winds push them ashore. Ice shoves are dangerous and can damage anything in their path. Say, Wyoming mountains to see 18 inches of snow. Wyoming is likely to witness some rain and snow from Thursday through Saturday, according to the NWS. Storms are expected on Friday and Saturday, mainly in western Wyoming. Mountains south of Du Bois could see up to 18 inches of snow by Friday midnight. The storm is likely to be followed by another system early next week. Ever seen scary clouds resembling tornadoes? The word SCUD stands for scattered cumulus under deck. Scud clouds are cloud fragments that seem to hang much lower in the sky. These clouds look dangerous but are harmless. They appear like funnel clouds or tornadoes but form much differently and do not rotate. They form when cool, moist wind meets the warm air ahead of a thunderstorm. I've never seen that. Why spring provides a perfect recipe for wild weather? Pretty flowers. I like that. It's got a little bit in there, some purple ones and some white ones. I love flowers. One of the key reasons behind wild weather during the spring season is the jet stream. It is a ribbon of high-speed winds that feeds energy into developing storms. Intense sunlight and heat during spring also trigger more rain and thunderstorms. With this combination of ingredients, spring ranks as the top season for tornadoes and wild weather. This is how cloud seeding makes it rain. Cloud seeding is a weather modification technique that alters a cloud structure to increase the chance of precipitation. It improves a cloud's ability to produce rain or snow by artificially adding silver iodide particles. These particles trigger the formation of ice crystals in the cloud that brings precipitation to the earth. In 1965, F3 tornado rattles North Carolina County. Randolph County in North Carolina experienced a historical tornado that caused significant damages on October 7, 1965. The F3 tornado caused severe damage at the Cricket Chair Company in South Asheboro, collapsing the roof and wall. One woman was killed and 3 others were injured. The tornado also snapped and blew down a few trees. 3-eyed dinosaur shrimps emerge in Arizona post-rains. The monsoon in northern Arizona has awakened strange 3-eyed crustaceans called triops. Also known as dinosaur shrimp, they were dormant for decades. Hundreds of triops emerged from tiny eggs near Wupatki National Monument. They remain asleep until sufficient rain arrives, allowing them to hatch, develop, and lay more eggs before dying. Wow. Pleasant fall weather likely in southern U.S. A stationary storm system over the southern U.S. has kept humidity low in green country. A storm system called Cutoff Low has turned cool and crisp mornings to warm and pleasant afternoons. By the end of the week, the Cutoff Low is forecasted to be absorbed into the jet stream and moved into the northeast. That's it for today's tidbits, everybody, and that's going to be it for this morning's coffee break. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please press that like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Everybody have a great day, and I'll see you later on doing something. Bye. I think I cut it off at the end. I said bye everyone and God bless. Bye.